What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna make a Cubano. For today's Cubano sandwich, which was created in 1896 by Francisco Ferlita, who was a Spanish and Italian immigrant, brought this baby to Tampa, Florida. For today's Cubano, guys, we're gonna be using fresh jackfruit out of the can, which is in the brine. All right, family, wash it thoroughly with some apple cider vinegar. All right, guys, now I have your fresh jackfruit. I got some seasoning here, some sofrito, or some may call it épices, some parsley, and some garlic. For this full recipe, family, the link will be in the description below on my Patreon account. All right, family, so we're gonna add in our seasoning into the jackfruit, guys. Now you're gonna just mix it in. So I'm gonna add some garlic into this recipe. If you're receiving any value from this recipe video, don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe. All right, family, so I'm gonna be adding my sofrito, or some people may call it épices. Mix it in thoroughly, guys. Make sure all the flavors come together. So don't forget, the full recipe will be in the link below on my Patreon account. Alright, family, marinate your jackfruit for about 10 to 15 minutes to give it that extra flavor. Alright, family, so for this jackfruit pernil, we're gonna use extra virgin olive oil to cook down the onions and the garlic so we could begin to saute the jackfruit. Alright, family, so add your extra virgin olive oil to your pan. Alright, family, add your onions. Alright, guys, add your garlic. Cook this baby down for about 5 to 7 minutes. Alright, family, so now we're gonna add our pernil, our jackfruit pernil, to the pan. Alright, family, so we're gonna cook this down for 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat. Alright, family, for the best pernil, it's best to put your jackfruit pernil in the air fryer or oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Alright, family, so we're gonna put this in this pan. Make sure your pan is nice and greased up, guys, because you don't want this baby to stick. Alright, family, the pernil is out of the air fryer and it's finally ready. Check it out. Now, let's create our Cubano. Alright, family, so we're gonna start to build our Cubano sandwich, adding some vegan plant-based butter so we can add this baby to the grill. Now I'm gonna add the Cuban sauce. Remember, the recipe will be in the description below on my Patreon account. Alright, family, so we're gonna add our cheese. Okay, now we're gonna add our ham. Alright, family, so we're gonna add our dill pickles. Now we're gonna add our jackfruit pernil. Alright, family, we're gonna add our sandwich to the grill. family, I made a Cubano. As jackfruit as the Pernil family. Check this baby out. Now let's go for the bite. Thanks for watching. Peace.